Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. If you are new to my channel, welcome. This is the monthly Global Stampers group. We are a group that gets together each month, the first Wednesday of each month, and we are all from different countries. So this month we pick a title that we are going to do, and this month's title is called One Sheet Wonder. So if you are coming from one of my other countries' demonstrators, welcome. If you haven't seen me before, this is going to be fun because this month is called One Sheet Wonder, and I'm going to tell you the truth. I am doing this like hours before it's supposed to post, and that is because I have never done a One Sheet Wonder before. But as a luck would have it, one of my friends who is also a demonstrator here in the United States, her name is Kathy Belcher, she created this One Sheet Wonder, a diagram? And this is for a 6x6. So I thought it would be fun to do it together because if you aren't new to my channel, then you know that I do not do any edits. I show you how I make cards, I show you my mistakes, and I show you how to fix them. So I do everything just as is. If you are in the United States and want to purchase any items, you can always go to my site, jeanpersani.stampinup.net. I do have a host code, and I do have online classes each month. If you want to know more about that, just go to beautyandthestamper.com and you will be told all about it. I will put a link down below for you. So here we go. Let me show you what she provided. She provided this layout here, and then she also provided this layout. This would be for cardstock that would mat those other pieces. So if you wanted to stop that and look at it, there it is for you. So I just thought that was really cool. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have this orange piece of paper. This is pumpkin pie, and this is going to act as my base for a card, just so you can see different layouts as we provide them. And let's go ahead and learn together. So I've got my 6x6 piece of paper here. This is from the designer series paper, and what I love about designer series paper is you can flip them over. So you're not only going to get what comes with it, you could flip them over and choose what side of the designer series paper you'd like. So I hope I'm doing this right, because I mean, we're gonna have paper regardless, right? So let me see. First thing we're gonna do, we're probably gonna want to figure out how we're gonna lay this out. Do we want it long ways? Do we want it short ways? But I think we're just gonna go, I think I want this to be the top, and the back side should be the exact same, which I would want that to be facing that way as well. And we are going to cut, again, this is a 6x6, so our first cut is going to be, let me make sure you can see that. The first cut is going to be at 3 inches. Now, I'm probably the only one in this group that's doing the inches. All the other demonstrators are probably doing is it the metric system? And one's imperial and one's metric. I think we use imperial. Okay, so we're gonna go and cut at 3 inches. And so now we will have exactly, Stanley, that's my little doggy. Again, sorry, the edits are in there or left out. I don't do it. So I've got 3 identical pieces here. Next, I'm going to take this guy here, and I'm going to cut it at 2 inches. And then I'm going to cut this one here at 3 inches. And I think what I'm going to do is, because I'm looking at this, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip it over and do the 3 inches here so that I get these nice little ghosts in there. So don't be afraid to do that. So now I've got the 2x3, I've got a 3x3, and I've got some a 1 inch left over, and then I'm just gonna do these at 1 inch each. So really and truly, I am copying exactly what she did for us last night at our team meeting. So Kathy, if you are watching this, thank you so much. And if you are friends with Kathy, let her know that I have shouted her out in here. So for this side, it won't have any real good pieces, so I'll probably flip them over and use the boos. But we've now got the 3 1 inch pieces. So we've got this, and these 3 done. And now we're going to do these parts here with the other half. So looking at how this works, remember I'm doing this with you guys. I'm going to cut at 2 1/4. And then remember this is 3, so we're going to go right in half and do it at 1 1/2. And now I've got those 2 1/4 by 1 1/2. And then I'm going to do here again, what would this be? I'm going to look right here. I'm actually going to do this side here. So we've got the 3, and it's going to be 1 3/4. And I'm going to flip it over again because I love that little ghost there. So 1 3/4. And now, what I have left is this middle piece. And these are going to be 1 inch by 1 1/2. So I know that if I take this guy, I can cut it to 1 inch. And then take these guys, keep them nice and straight there. You can do them at the same time, or you can do them at 2 different times. I'm just going to do them real quick. 1 1/2, 1 1/2. Looks like they're staying pretty straight there. And now I've got those 4 pieces. So there we go. And now let's see if these all line up, okay? Let's see if we did this correctly, because this is a 6x6. So we got our 4 little pieces here. They are not going to line up the way I want them to, for sure. This is like a puzzle. Oh, we got that part. Okay. We've got this part here. We've got this part here. Oh, maybe it is a puzzle. What am I missing? Ah, look at this. You guys, it's fun, like a puzzle. Nope, that's not right either. All right. That's okay. That piece goes there. This piece goes there. And then we've got, again, I don't know how these line up. Oh, I know why, because I did them the opposite way. Got it. So they would go like this, right? I don't know. But here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Have I confused you? That is what my channel is all about. Again, jeanpersani.stampinup.net if you want to be confused. And still, it all worked out fine. So now I'm going to move this over. And again, remember I showed you the back. That is a little bit larger with the same type of cuts, but a little bit larger, so you have a little base around it. I'm not going to take my time or your time to do that because it's exactly the same. It's just a little bit larger. But look at the base. It would be so nice that we could put, you know, you could put a piece here, or you could flip it upside down and use that with some Happy Halloween down here, and make a card like that. Same here. You could do something like this, and then imagine a lovely little black border around it. Would be great. Put your greeting here. So many wonderful, wonderful things you can do. You can take these 3 like this, and you can just go right up the side here, right? Wrap some ribbon around it, put a nice little greeting, and you've got a great card there. You could also do something like this with those. So many different things you can do with these pieces. It's just so fun. I don't know why I've never done one of these before. I do not know. Same here. You can put this guy right there. You can put him down here. Flip it over if you want to do something like that. And we've got these again. You could do something like this. You could use them singly. You can flip one over. Find the little ghost that you like and do something like that. Right? We've got our little piece here. Did I do that one already? And then we've got our 4 little guys here. Now, I wish I could figure out how oh, there we go. I don't know. I have no idea how that all came together. But there we go. You do something like that. Let me see. You do something like that. Or you can do a little window with these people, or with these, with a nice little Halloween down here, a little greeting of some sort. You could stamp the background. You could have something like this and then have a stamped piece right over it. Whatever you'd like. This is all up to you. You are you are probably a much better designer than I am. I just have so much fun doing this though. So again, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. And let me know in the comments below if you have done a one-sheet wonder before. Again, I have not, but I think I will be doing one soon. So maybe I'll do a little challenge to come up with some great cards for you. So, all right, beauties. Again, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to show you the back again real quick so you could see that there is a little border around there. So, another little border. And then these little pieces here are just pieces you could save for extra. So, I hope this helps you. If it has, let me know. I would love to hear more from you. And also, if you've stuck around this long, you are awesome. Thank you. And if you are from another country, make sure you say hello, and I welcome you to subscribe as well. I just have so much fun learning from each of you, and I hope you enjoy learning from me as well. All right, beauties, it looks like I did it. Look at those great borders. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.